Take a look step by step at how we created the Spring-Summer 2014 trend look, Belle Allure. After thoroughly cleansing the skin, we start by applying the HD Micro Primer. HD Micro Foundation Cream is the foundation of choice for this look. With its sheer texture but high pigment, it gives great concealing quality. We then move on to concealing. We use Dermacolour in combination with Makeup Blend, which really shears down the texture and you can apply in thin layers. We now apply the same foundation in a darker skin tone to create contour on the face. We set the base by using the HD Micro Finish Powder in MFP1. We prepare the base of the eyes using the new eyeshadow primer. White Pepper from the Viva Matte range is then applied on the centre of the eyelid. Then using Gold and Bronze from the Viva range, we highlighted the socket line. Walnut in the Viva Colour Medley is then applied in a deeper tone right into the socket. The dark brown in the Natural Variety palette is used as an eyeliner. Gently sweep underneath the bottom lashes and then follow this round on the top and blend through for a really soft, subtle finish. Highlight the brow bone by using the highlight in the Variety Natural palette. F3 lashes are then applied. Using the Mascara Colour Intensifier in black, help to blend the natural lashes into the false lashes. Now for the eyebrows. Brush through with a clean mascara wand so that the hairs lay in the natural direction. Then using the eyebrow powder in light, highlight the natural shape of the brow, giving it a nice lift. Using face liner in a natural tone, the lip line is defined and then blended through for a natural appearance. Now using TV Brown, we accentuate the contour underneath the cheekbone. Illusion in Velvet is then blended onto the top of the cheekbone to give a gorgeous glow. Then, using the smoothing brush from the Ultra range, the Illusion product and the TV Brown are blended together. Lip Rouge Sheer is then applied in Miller to the rest of the lips. For that natural flush, we use Lip and Cheek in Hibiscus. Using the finger to blend in lip and cheek really helps to give the blusher a natural feel. The look Belle Allure embodies the chic Parisian femininity, simultaneously flirty and romantic.